To buy an ETF on Webull, start by opening the Webull app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen and tap on the search icon. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy, and select it from the search results. On the ETF's detail page, you will see a chart displaying its recent performance, as well as other relevant information such as its current price, daily high and low, and trading volume. Review this information to ensure you are making an informed decision. To place a buy order, tap the trade button at the bottom of the screen. Choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the ETF reaches a certain price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy, and review your order to ensure everything is correct. You can also set a stop loss or take profit order to automatically sell your ETF if it reaches a certain price. Tap Confirm to submit your order, and it will be executed immediately if you chose a market order, or when the ETF reaches your specified price if you chose a limit order. It is essential to have a solid understanding of ETFs and trading before you start buying and selling. ETFs are a type of investment fund that tracks a particular index, sector, or asset class, and they can be used to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to different markets. Before trading ETFs on Webull, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account, and be aware of any trading fees or commissions that may apply. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it, as well as to have a clear investment strategy and risk management plan in place. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully buy and trade ETFs on Webull, and make informed investment decisions to achieve your financial goals.